Good morning to one and all. Operations keeps the lights on. Strategy provides a light at the end of the tunnel. But project management is the train engine that moves the organization forward. Shripati Institute of Management and Technology is here to encourage the creative ideas of the emerging engineers. The prime focus of this event is to educate, exhibit, evaluate the student talents, and rewarding them. To make the celebration out in front, the college organized such a virtual project expo on this day, and we hope the other colleges also will be following the path by creating such events as we were the most successful brand name and path breaker in online events like 3 webinar series involving eminent speakers from all around the globe, which was truly international and world class, though we didn't use these adjectives. The virtual project expo, with the leadership from eminent professional bodies IEDC, IEEE, and ISTE, showcasing the best student projects from the eminent name Shripati. Visitors to this exceptional event will gain a worthwhile learning experience. That's a promise. We are glad to announce the launch of Kerala's first online project expo titled CIMAT Tech Expo 2020 today. We invite you all for the online launch event of the expo today. The event is jointly organized by all the departments of Shripati and showcases more than 30 innovative product ideas. The event is supported by the Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development Center of CIMAT, Kerala Startup Mission, and Institutions Innovation Council. It's my privilege and pleasure on behalf of the CIMAT family to welcome you here today. We are delighted to have you all with us. It's my pleasure to invite our principal, respected Dr. S.P. Subramaniam sir, our vice principal, Dr. George C.T. sir, our respected HODs, teachers, and all of you gathered here. I would now like to invite our principal, Dr. S.P. Subramaniam sir, to launch our CIMAT Tech Expo 2020. Welcome you, sir, to launch our site.
Sir, now you can present your screen, sir.
I'm doing it. Sebin, it's over, right?
Yeah.
So the
Thank you, sir.
official, okay, thank you.
Sorry, sir, continue, sir.
Good morning, all of you. I'm extremely happy to be present here for the official launch of the Project Expo organized by Sripati Institute of Management and Technology, IEDC, ISTE, and IEEE. Let me congratulate all of you first, especially Mr. Sebin, who has taken the lead role in organizing this event. I'm also happy to be back in Sripati after about 4 years. I was working as principal in the college. Most of you must be knowing. Earlier, 4 years back, I was working as principal, and then recently I've joined again as a principal. So I thank you all of you for accepting me. And then again, I think about 30 plus participants are already available for this official launch. It's a good experience for all of you. Technical events and awareness about this like this will definitely take the college and the participating students to greater heights. I'm extremely happy that we are doing it for the first time in Kerala. So once again, congratulations to all of you. And I was told that the first stage is the Project Expo by Department of EEE and EC, and then next week probably we will be organizing it, adding the projects carried out by the students from Department of Mechanical Engineering, Civil Engineering, and Computer Science and Engineering also. So definitely this we are every difficult situation we have to convert those into opportunities. So this is the best opportunity for that. Had that situation be not there, we would not have done all these things. We'll be just concentrating in the regular classwork and then project presentation in the college in front of the grade and things like that. But this opportunity has given all of us good experience in online activities, including classroom or including teaching, learning, and then project exhibition webinar. I'm happy that the college has organized about 40 plus webinar series during this 3 months period. So this is a good experience for all the staff members and students. I wish all success for the students and the organizers also. Once again, congratulations to all of you and thank you very much. I'm happy that the heads of departments, Mr. Tangachan, I'm seeing for the first time after joining, at least on screen. Then Dr. George, Professor Sushma is there, and faculty members, staff members of the college. And Subhaga, I think I'm not fully known her. Anyway, it's good. Thank you for the welcome speech. Once again, congratulations all the organizers and thank you very much. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. I would now like to invite our Vice Principal, Dr. C.T. George, sir, to launch our CIMAT Tech Expo 2020. Welcome you, sir, to launch our Android application.
Hello, sir. For George, sir, I am presenting the screen.
Okay.
So hope that the screen is visible to everyone.
So dear principal and my friend, actually this is a unique experience that we have. Our college is launching a project expo, which will be very much beneficial to not only to the student members, but also to the other categories of people who are living around us. As we all know that for the last 3 months, we have been in this media to conduct various webinars on different subjects. That was a great experience, and that was good enough to meet the lockdown requirements of our people. And this time also we are doing this exercise once again. And this is the first time in the history of, technical education to do such a thing in the name of a project expo. No doubt it will be very, very, very beneficial to the students as well as other people around us. So in this context, I would like to congratulate all the people who are behind this venture. And in the forthcoming days also, this type of ventures definitely be there. Once again, I congratulate all of them and extend my very sincere wishes and blessings to all the people who are behind us. And this will be a successful venture. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. So, dear all, to download the application, visit the Google Play Store from your computer or mobile and log in using the Google account that's associated with your phone. Next, find the app CIMAT Expo that you want to install and go to its information page. Then press the install button for that application. Select the device you want to install the application on and then press install. I would now like to welcome Tangachan sir, head of EEE department, to kindly share a few words.
My name is George sir. Good morning to all of you. Actually, we are at the different locations, online we are gathering again. Actually, I am very happy we are launching the project Expo 2020. I think first time in history of NJS college it is doing like COVID season. They all the faculties and yes, my best to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I would now like to welcome Sushma ma'am, Head of EC Department, to kindly share a few words.
Respected principal, vice principal, other HODs, and all other staff members. I think I was the first beneficiary of this IEDC and IEEE sponsored event, because yesterday when I did the project evaluation, some students are unable to put up their reports or put up their PPTs. Everything is there in this site. So the staff could easily look into the reports, look into the PPTs, or present the PPTs from this site. So I think we as staff members will be very, very happy that it is saving us a lot of effort. The second thing is, I think the final year students did not have a chance to present their projects. They have worked hard for it, they've done their projects. They did not get a chance to show it to anybody. Now this is present digitally so that they can show it anywhere, anytime to whomever it is concerned, like their parents or the junior batches, and especially the junior batches, because next time when they come up with project ideas, we generally say senior students need not, you see what the senior students have done, you need not copy from the senior students, go to the library, refer the books and all those. So, but now everything is there digitally so that it helps the junior students also to see what the seniors have done, what methodology they've given. The reports are there, so they know the format of the report, the PPTs are there. So I think it was a very, very excellent idea. Congratulations to the team who has developed this. And thank you very much once again.
Thank you, ma'am. I would now like to welcome Sudhir sir, Head of Civil Department, to kindly share a few words. Sir is not available. I would like to invite Ganesh sir, Head of Computer Science Department, to kindly share a few words.
Good morning, all.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. I wish all the success to this CIMATech Expo. This is the first time any institution is conducting such a technical expo. So I wish all the success to this program, and I also congratulate all the coordinators for arranging such an event. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, sir. I would now like to welcome Praveen sir, Head of Mechanical Department, to kindly share a few words.
Respected Principal Dr. S.P. Subramanian, Vice Principal Dr. George C.T., Sub-Department, staff members of unit, and auditors present here at the morning for. As you know, this COVID-19 pandemic has caused most of us to work from home. But as far as Sripati is concerned, we need to organize various events with the platform so that our staff can engage. And we have been organizing webinar series since March, where we had sessions handled by experts from both academic and industry. And in plus, we had around 200 participants for each group. We have put to another milestone. We have launched Tech Expo. So I think students who come with innovative ideas. So this is the project work. The students are competing with students across the state. So you can share your ideas. You can enhance your knowledge. So with no doubt, I wish to say that this online project exhibition is quite big. And exhibition experience ahead. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The website will give the browser an idea about different products developed as project from the CMATians. On clicking each project, it will give an abstract of the project demo video. The PPT and project report exclusively is for CMAT family members. So yes, educate, explore, exhibit. The virtual arena to showcase the vision of blooming engineers is all set to roll soon. I would now like to invite Sebin Sir, Assistant Professor from Tripoli Department, to kindly deliver the vote of thanks.
So thank you, Subhaga. So today is a great day for all of us because we are launching this Project Expo, Virtual Project Expo, for the first time in Kerala. So anyway, Kerala Startup Mission will be launching their Virtual Expo on 25th. So the date we have decided is actually it was correct time we are launching this thing, because after 3 days we need to tell like we are the second entity in Kerala that going to launch this event. So fortunately, we got that first part. So yeah, in this venture, many have helped the entire team. So first of all, I would like to thank the Academic Council of Srivadi, who gave permission to initiate such a virtual event. And also, I would like to thank our principal and management and all the HODs for giving permission for this virtual endeavor. Also, without students, this expo may not be possible. So, the students who actively participated in today's phase is final year students of Tripoli and ECE. So, they have contributed a lot to this expo. Actually, the entire projects presented is done by the final year students of EC and Tripoli. And also, I would like to congratulate the students of S6 Tripoli, that is a 2017 batch, who have came forward and they gave their willingness to provide some concepts or ideas that they are working on. And also those ideas were submitted to National Innovation Contest under MHRD. So they also gave some help to build this virtual expo. So to all the students who have worked behind this virtual expo, I express my sincere gratitude towards them. Also, they have given beautiful videos about their demos in those platforms. So all the students, all their juniors can access these videos, and also they can get some idea from what they have built. And also they have mentioned the future possibilities and challenges they have faced. So all these things can be easily understood from those virtual platforms. And for Srivadi members or Srivadi faculties, they can directly access each and every project report and PowerPoint presentation from these virtual platforms. The reports is not made publicly available because there are chances for plagiarism. So the reports are accessible only for Srivadi members or Srivadi faculties. So students also can refer to those reports on requesting to their faculties. So actually, this platform we are providing it as a tribute for the final year students, the entire final year students of Srivadi family. We are expecting the second phase to launch soon. So in the first phase, we are covering the circuit branches, that is EC and Tripoli. So in the second phase, we will be having all the other departments, ESE, mechanical and civil, to come in. So for this endeavor, I thank everyone, and also I thank all those who are all those who have actively participated in this launch event also. So thank you all. Thank you for your cooperation, and thank you for your effort and time. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. So thank you all for joining us today. Thank you for providing your gracious presence to us to join us to enhance our joy. Thank you all.